Hi Year 8, welcome to Mr. Chen's video again. How are you guys? So today in science, we will be looking at energy efficiency. Okay. Uh, Last video we talked about energy transfer. The recap was the energy actually transfer from one form to another, and uh, according to law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be created or destroyed, so that has to change from one form to another. Okay, so by changing from one form to another, we will have some useful energy and some wasted energy. And this in this video, I'm going to talk about how to actually calculate how efficient your energy efficient is are some of your devices are. Okay, so let's begin. Lesson objective is understand the importance of energy efficiency and how to calculate it. So, what is energy efficiency? Energy efficiency, it is a measure of how input energy is converted into useful output energy. The greater the proportion of useful in output energy, output means energy that has been transformed into after the initial phase. Okay, the greater the proportion, the greater the energy efficiency of the device. So it's very straightforward. So let's look at example. Did you know that uh, car versus bicycle, which one do you think is actually more energy efficient? Just have a think, but without looking at the notes. So the answer is actually bicycle is actually more energy efficient. Did you know that car only transfer a quarter of the chemical energy supply, which is your petrol? Out of 100% of the petrol you put in, only 25%, a quarter means 25. Only 25% actually goes into the kinetic energy to move the car. The rest is the rest are actually transformed into heat and sound. That's why Mr. Chen mentioned in the lesson that if you are able to create a car that in the future that uses 100% of the, or even if you can do 90%, if you can create a car that uses 90 that have 90% uses 90% of the chemical energy and transform it into kinetic energy, you will be a very rich person. Okay, so on the other hand, bicycle, 95% of energy that your muscle used to supply, as in to pedal the bicycle, actually is converted into kinetic energy. The other get converted into uh, heat, which you use sweat. That's why when you ride your bicycle for a while, you actually sweat. That actually came from heat energy. Okay, so uh, there are some other. Let's look at some other efficiency. So incandescent light globes actually only have 5% of energy efficiency. That means the rest, 95%, most of them pretty much went to heat. That's why your globe actually get really hot when you use it. Okay, uh, not because it it is most of them actually go into heat energy. Yeah. Uh, that's why restaurant actually use. However, restaurant actually use this to their advantage by warming up the food. Okay, keep the food warm. Sorry. Uh, After they cook them. Uh, that I won't. That in that sense, we won't count that as wasted energy. But most of the time, at your house, you really want to have a light globe that have higher than 5%. That's why nowadays we use LED. LED is actually much more efficient. Electric motors 80%, steam engine 40%, power station 30%, and as human, us is 25%. So yeah, we are actually not a very efficient robot if we are a robot. So yeah, that's how we made some of the statistics about energy efficiency. And next, I am going to move into how to calculate. So to calculate energy efficiency, there is a formula which is quite simple. Energy efficiency is useful energy output over energy input multiplied by 100%. What it means is you want to categorize the useful energy output, which is energy that has been transformed, over the total amount of energy that you put in, multiplied by 100, you get the result after that. So to actually demonstrate you, I have provided a question. Okay, the question is, in 5 minutes, a battery operated control car used 1800 joule of chemical energy It convert out of 1800 joule, 450 joule went into kinetic energy, 300 joule went into sound energy, and 1050 joule went into heat energy. As you can see there, on top of my head straight away, I know this battery car is not very efficient. Okay, so let's calculate what is the energy efficiency rate for this. So given that the useful energy output of this device is kinetic energy, okay, because we technically don't need the sound and heat, that's why we don't categorize sound and heat as useful energy. So out of that, only 450 joule is useful. So let's work that out. So energy efficiency equal to the useful is only 450 joule. Excuse me, 450 joule out of what, 1800 joule multiplied by 100. So let's use your calculator, which is 450 divided by 1800. It is 0.25, but you have to multiply that by 100, which will give you 25%. Okay, so as you can see, it is not very efficient. To be considered as efficient, you want it to be over 70%, okay, or more. Obviously, the closer to 100, the better. So that is how you calculate energy efficiency. To conclude these videos, we went through what is energy efficiency and also what it means, and we went through some of the statistics, and also at the end we look at the formulas for energy efficiency, and we went through these questions. Hope you learned something, and make sure please write down the notes for future reference. We were going to have a quiz soon, so see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.